Hello everyone, welcome back to Home Decor Day. Today's video is all about kitchen trends for 2024. Minimalist elegance is redefining kitchen aesthetics in 2024, focusing on sleek, functional spaces. This trend strips away the unnecessary, celebrating clean lines and uncluttered surfaces for a serene cooking environment. Eco-friendly innovations are at the forefront of kitchen design this year. With sustainability as a key driver, 2024 kitchens are incorporating energy-efficient appliances, recycled materials, and compost systems to minimize environmental impact. Smart kitchens are revolutionizing how we cook. Integrating advanced technology, these kitchens offer seamless cooking experiences through voice-controlled gadgets and AI-enhanced appliances, making meal preparation in 2024 effortlessly efficient. Bold color schemes are challenging the traditional kitchen palette in 2024. Moving away from monochrome monotony, designers are embracing vibrant colors and daring contrast to inject personality and vibrancy into kitchen spaces. The return of retro elements is shaping modern kitchens in 2024. Vintage designs are being reimagined with a contemporary twist, blending nostalgic charm with cutting-edge technology for a uniquely timeless kitchen aesthetic. The open concept revolution is transforming kitchens into the heart of the home, seamlessly connecting cooking spaces with living areas. This design promotes a more engaging and inclusive environment for entertaining in 2024. Embracing rich hues and textures, luxurious dark kitchens are setting the tone for sophistication in 2024 designs. These spaces are a bold departure from traditional light palettes, offering a cocoon of elegance and warmth. Multifunctional islands have become the cornerstone of modern kitchen design, serving not just as a place for meal prep, but also as a dining area, workspace, and social hub in 2024 kitchens. Artistic lighting fixtures are no longer just functional, but also serve as statement pieces, transforming 2024 kitchens into realms of elegance. These unique lighting choices add character and ambience, elevating the kitchen's design. In 2024, mixing textures and materials is a leading trend for creating dynamic and visually engaging kitchen spaces. Combining various finishes and elements introduces depth and interest, breaking the monotony of traditional designs. Hidden appliances are revolutionizing the aesthetic of modern kitchens in 2024. This trend champions a clutter-free environment, seamlessly integrating technology into cabinetry for a sleek and streamlined look. Vertical gardens bring a slice of the outdoors inside, transforming 2024 kitchen designs with freshness and greenery. These living walls not only purify the air, but also offer fresh herbs right at your fingertips. Space-saving solutions are key in compact 2024 kitchens, introducing innovative storage ideas that maximize efficiency without sacrificing style. From multi-tiered drawers to hidden compartments, every inch is utilized to keep the space organized. Warm metallic accents are making a glamorous comeback, infusing 2024 kitchens with a touch of elegance. Copper tones and brushed gold highlights offer a warm contrast to cooler color palettes, adding depth and luxury. Transitional kitchens blend the best of both worlds, merging traditional charm with modern chic. This 2024 trend creates spaces that are both inviting and stylish, catering to those who appreciate timeless design with contemporary flair. Global inspirations are revolutionizing kitchen aesthetics by weaving international design elements into the heart of the home. The 2024 kitchens are becoming cultural mosaics, reflecting a world where boundaries blur and styles merge. Personalized spaces in kitchens are setting a new standard for home design. By making the kitchen a reflection of individual style, homeowners are turning these spaces into personal sanctuaries that speak volumes about their personalities. The indoor-outdoor fusion trend is erasing the lines between the kitchen and the natural world. In 2024, kitchens are extending beyond their traditional confines, creating a seamless flow that embraces the outdoors. Ultra-modern minimalism is redefining kitchen spaces with its emphasis on simplicity and functionality. The 2024 kitchen is a testament to the beauty of less, where every element serves a purpose without compromising on style. Thanks for watching! Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below. Happy decorating!